Hello, fellow 3D printing enthusiasts. Today, we're thrilled to introduce a revolutionary solution, the Extruder AMS Filament Pullback Fix. If you've ever grappled with filament challenges or desire to enhance your 3D printing journey, you won't want to miss this. The primary culprit behind most AMS filament retraction issues is friction. As illustrated in the accompanying image, the PTFE tube entering the extruder is often bent at an angle. This bending exerts pressure on the tube, resulting in substantial friction. Given that both the printer and AMS are equipped with multiple sensors, this friction impedes the smooth passage of filament through the AMS to the printer, leading to the AMS failed to retract filament error and similar issues. So, what's the solution to this problem? The key lies in minimizing friction as the filament traverses the PTFE tubes. How? By optimizing the angle of the PTFE, we enable the filament to enter and exit the extruder with minimal friction and pressure. To address this, I've developed a fix that extends and secures the PTFE in place at the extruder, ensuring a better exit angle when filament is pushed or pulled out. Important notes. This fix is compatible with any P1P, P1S, X1C with or without AMS. Carefully follow the instructional video for proper installation. Both Hydra and non-modified AMS can benefit from this fix. Avoid over-tightening the screws, finger tighten, and then go back one full round. Align and lightly screw in one screw, followed by the next, gradually tightening both. Maintain a gap between the fix and the extruder head. It's crucial. Ensure the PTFE is fully inserted into the extruder after installing the fix. Refer to the installation video for guidance. What's required for installing this printed fix part? Simply remove the screws from the extruder plate and install the upgraded fix. That's all. Refer to the installation video for detailed instructions. The error itself is complex and non-definitive. What triggers the error today may differ from the cause tomorrow, much like variations between setups of person A and person B. Tension-induced friction activating the machine's sensors is the primary culprit. Ready to elevate your 3D printing experience? The Extruder AMS Filament Pullback. Fix holds the key. Hit that like button, subscribe for more 3D printing insights, and let's optimize your printing journey together. Stay tuned for additional exciting upgrades.